everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching my videos, and if you've subscribed, thank you, it means a lot. I hit 100 subscribers, and today I'm just going to be doing a makeup look that's going to be kind of for autumn. I don't like saying the word autumn because like I feel like if I have to pronounce it properly it's like autumn, whereas I'd say autumn, like it's like we're coming into autumn. I just don't like the word. But anyway, if I'm looking really shiny and my face is different, I just tanned and I didn't tan my face because if you follow me on Instagram, the tan on my face just turns out terrible, so I've skipped doing the tan on my face. It's a bit like here, but that's it. And I laminated my brows, did them myself. They look a bit crazy right now actually, to be honest. Probably shouldn't advertise that I did that myself. Yeah, I haven't really done my makeup before with my brows laminated, so we're going to see how this turns out. So I don't even know really where I'm going to start. I just know that I never wear black on my waterline, and I'm definitely doing that today. Like, I want a dark eye, but it's like, I'm thinking like autumn is like, you know, browns and reddy tones. So I'm thinking of doing like just a brown smoky eye with like red in the middle, but we'll just see how it goes. And I'm going to start with my brows, and I'm going to do that off camera. Obviously they're laminated, but I feel like I need to fill them in or something, or it's going to look weird. So be back in a minute. Going in with the P. Louise base, and I got the base in, I don't know, do you call it shade 2 or number 2? It says rumor 2. I'm just going to use the beauty blender, which isn't how, you know, they say to do it, but I'm going to just use a beauty blender and dab that onto my eye. I haven't practiced much using this yet, so I don't like, I still set it and then apply my eyeshadow, which, you know, they kind of just put the eyeshadow on straight away to make it more, have the shade pop out more, if that makes sense. And I say I'm going to do a wing on my eye today because I feel like when I do like rounded eye looks, when I use dark colours, it literally looks like that panda eyes. Do you know, like, do you remember, that's like what you'd call it, like, isn't it? Is it like, or am I crazy? It was something like, you know, saying you look like a panda, you know, with two black eyes kind of thing. Just going in with some baby powder on just a brush. I'm gonna set my eye. But that's what I'm saying, like when you use the P. Louise stuff, you're not meant to do this. It's not that you're not meant to, or maybe you are not meant to, but like they don't. They put the eyeshadow on straight away just so that the eyeshadow is more pigmented. That's the word, more pigmented. Oh, excuse me. I'm starting to do this thing where like I'm really trying to tell myself like to make every single day count and try to be more positive and change my mindset. If you've seen on Instagram, I shared a quote basically saying it's all about your mindset, like change it, have a positive life. But like, am I the only one who finds it so hard? Like, I'm literally such a negative person. Like, the second I wake up, I think the most negative thing, like today is a day off work, and first thing I think of when I wake up is I'm in work tomorrow. You know, and I just can't become positive no matter how hard I try. I just can't seem to be a positive person. So if anyone has any tips on how to change your mindset and become a positive person, please let me know. I know, you know, there's that book, is it by Vex King or something? I know every girl had that on their story at one point in summer, and I don't know if it was a case of everyone bought it and just shared it for the sake of saying I have the book and actually didn't even bother reading it. I'm thinking like, should I get the book? Like, would I actually bother reading it? Like, would it actually change my life the way people say it changed their life, etc.? I'm like, can it really change your life? If anyone has had that book or has it, please let me know if it's worth buying, because maybe I will. I just find it hard to be a positive person. I feel like we're in a very negative world, but that's what I'm trying to get out of. So the way I'm doing this is I'm just kind of brushing like up like into my arch and like down. So basically think of like a triangle. That's like the shape I'm going for. And I'm really lightly using a really fluffy brush, fading out the shadow. Blending out the eyeshadow. Look at me, I'm getting under pressure with these new subscribers. So I really struggle to like talk to the camera by myself. Like, I definitely love having Craig in my videos. It really is easier when you have someone there to like bounce off. It's just fun, it's funner than doing it by yourself. But I think it'll just take time, you know. Gotta keep going. Eventually I'll probably talk shy to the, well, I talk shy to the camera anyway, but eventually a few years down the line, if I'm still doing this, I'd probably find it easy to talk to a camera. And like, people like having their eyeliner in like that like like cat eye effect look. I hate that, like I hate it. I don't think I hate it on everyone, but I definitely hate it on me because I don't have like that, the jawline to match and the cheekbones to match. Even with makeup I don't, so I think it just looks really like weird on me, and I have really bad hooded eyes, so I just don't think it benefits me doing that look. So the way I used to do my eyeliner is like literally a dead straight line out, which I'm probably going to do today, because when I try to do, you know, like a nice eyeliner, let's just call it a nice eyeliner, like cat eye eyeliner look, it doesn't work for me. So like that, I bring my eyeshadow kind of very, very down, rather than like people would bring it up. I bring it down. Like I said, that triangle effect is going down. But like each eye is different. Like when I used to do makeup, this is when I struggled, because every eye is different. I wouldn't know how to do eyeliner on someone else, or it might not look right on someone else. Same with everything. The way I do makeup on myself, I just can't do it on other people. I feel like everyone has their own shape, and that's why I gave up doing makeup. But I feel like I should maybe try to get back into it. Or if you want your eyebrows done, let me know. I'll do them for like €15 if you want them done. I just don't know how to pluck eyebrows, wax eyebrows, and then I do tint my eyebrows. They're not tinted right now, but I do have tint, but it only lasts like 3 days, this tint, like, and it's really not that good. Like tan would probably work fucking better. Let me know if you know a good tint out there and a good wax, and you know, if you trust me to tint, wax and fucking laminate your eyebrows, message me, because I will. You know, wouldn't mind getting into that. Hence why I bought an expensive kit to fucking start doing it. And I started doing lamination brows when it just hit England, and then I seen a few social media people like put it up, and then oh my god, it blew up, and now every girl has it, and like I'm still sitting here with a full set and no one getting their eyebrows done by me. It's really fucking annoying, do you know what I mean? Like, it's annoying when shit like that happens. I'm not saying I started the trend, because by no means did I at all start the trend. But I remember getting that, and I said, I know I'll see every fucking girl walking with laminated eyebrows in like 2 months time, the second it hits Ireland. And that's what happened. Like, I'm not saying I started a trend, like I said, I definitely didn't, but I seen it, I'm pretty sure, before anyone, and I ordered it and I did it. But it just blew up then once social media people started saying, you know, oh my god, look at this, blah blah blah. So for that brown anyway, I just used an Inglot brown. I don't know the shade, it's just like a very like bronzy orangey brown shade. And then I'm going in with the James Charles palette, and I'm using the top right hand brown corner shade, and I'm just dabbing that. Oh god, that could pass for black. I'm just dabbing that literally like at this angle, like in like on my eye like this, and I'm trying not to bring it out above my crease, but the brush I'm using is kind of big, so that's just happening anyway. But I'm trying to not let it pass like my crease, like that little line in my eye, but it is, oh well, it's happening. I can't prevent that, but okay, it's gone, yeah, way past it. But I'm just going to blend that out and kind of blend it in with the other shade now, if that's possible. This seems way too dark, but we are going for a dark smoky eye, so we'll go with it. And I just feel like when I add eyelashes as well, and I have this eyeshadow on, it's like you just don't, because my eyes are hooded, you literally don't see it. Whereas when I do like plain eye looks or high like cut creases with bright colours, I feel like you can see it. Not to say like through my eyelashes, but like through my eyelashes. It doesn't make my eyes look like you can't see my eyeshadow. You can actually still see it, if that makes sense. I think that's why my go-to is just like one shade of pink around my eye. Like today I'm going to be using an eyeliner from Inglot that I bought I think like 3-4 years ago, maybe 4 years ago to be honest. Not I bought it, you know, Santi got me it, you know, but like, anyway. Maybe I'll get an eye infection, we'll see, hopefully not. I'm literally kind of just buffing up and down and bringing out like that like shape low. Like I'm not even making sense, am I? And my tan is like creasing in my arm. Not good, not good. So this is where we are now. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. I'm just going to take a smaller brush now, just one like this, and I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna use the James Charles black, which I think is like really dusty. I prefer the Inglot black, but I'm gonna take that and literally just pop it into the corner just here. And I have my dreads on today, just in a bun. My hair's soaking wet, this probably isn't good for me. If you want to see how I do this, check out my other video. I have a video on how I style my dreads without actually having them installed on my head, which is what's right now, which is what's happening right now. Just going in with that darker brown again, and I'm gonna try kind of bring that around. This is like where we are now. If you can see, like, it's very like up and then like down, literally like this. My next step, my plan of action, is to add red. Like, I want a really dark burgundy red. Yeah, I do have a red powder from Inglot that I want to use for this look, but it's somewhere buried in makeup and I don't want to try find it. So just going in with like a flat brush. It's thick but it's flat. I'm going in with the darkest red from the James Charles palette. It's right under the orange near the top, and I'm just popping that there. Is this regret? Is this regret I have? Kind of, maybe. We'll see. I feel like no look is, like, you don't know the, like, what's it called? Trust the process. That's what I'm trying to say. Trust the process. I think that's all I'm gonna do. Maybe I like it, maybe I don't. Maybe I like it, maybe I don't. See, like, see when my eyes are like this, you like can't even see anything, and like even though I've blended that up really high to my eyebrows, it's still like really low and just gives me like not a nice look. I don't know if I should try blend out the brown higher. We'll see. Like, not being cocky or anything, but one thing I like about when you do a makeup is that like everything I use is considerably cheap, like considerably cheap, or if anything I do have is expensive, it's bought through presents. Like, it's never me spending my money on it. Oh well. And as well, because I'm no makeup artist, I do think the way I do my makeup is so easy that anyone can do it. It's really not hard. I don't use too many eyeshadows. I normally use max 3 eyeshadows. I just think that's a good thing. That's all I'm gonna say, is that I just think it's a good thing that if you are thinking you're not that good at makeup, like, if I can do it, you can do it. This is really easy. That's why I'm really trying to talk through this video today, so that like if someone out there who does want to learn how to do makeup and is only getting into it even, or doesn't know what to do to make these looks, but or you know, just wants to use cheap stuff, etc. But I'm gonna stop talking. I've talked way too much. I'm going to now fill in my eyebrows, do something with them, and then I'm gonna pop on eyeliner and I'll be back. So okay, so now I am back and I do have my eyebrows done, and by done I just mean like filled in, just to make them that bit darker kind of thing. Next I'm gonna go in with eyeliner, and I'm gonna wing it. Get it? I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna go in and wing it. No, how I used to do this was like basically try to do just a dead straight line kind of thing, and then I'd go in with a wipe after, which is just, again, like, I don't think it looks that bad if I didn't do a wing. Like, maybe I could turn this into like a smoky eye, like, because I feel like I actually have blended it really nice. I don't think the camera's doing it any justice, but in person, if I did underneath my eye and stuff, it might not look that bad. And I don't know what to do. Yeah, I'm gonna do the wing. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do the wing. Terrible. And next we're gonna go in with concealer underneath just to sharpen that out. I'm using the Penny's concealer for this. For foundation, I'm going in with the NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat liquid foundation, and I'm gonna give that a big shake because like this is really, really dark, but I did tan, so I'm going in with that concealer stick and just putting it right there. It's not satisfying how I apply that at all. No fancy triangle shape, just literally get it on. Now, and then for setting my foundation, I do have just a little tub of baby powder here, and I'm just gonna get a small brush and pop that on. And here I do kind of go like right underneath the line, but still not touching where my eyeliner is. I'm here saying tips as if I am some fucking Nikki Tutorials or James Charles, but I'm literally just saying these if anyone wants to watch this video to actually see how I did this look. Like, I remember one of my makeup videos, Craig was like, you know, no one can learn anything from that. Like, no one knows what you're actually doing. They're just watching you put makeup on. So that's why I'm being a bit more informative, so that if you want to see actually what I'm doing and like buy what I'm using, you can. Kind of gotta get rid of the moustache, if I do say so myself. Next I'm going to contour because your girl's looking a bit ghostly. I'm going in with this Inglot 507 contour shade, I suppose I'd say. Normally I'll still never get it where it's meant to be and it'll still look weird, but like I said, I don't really care. Next, I'm going to highlight, and I'm not. Yeah, I'll go with my safe one. Do you know my good one? Yeah, the Anastasia Beverly Contours kit. I still think I said that wrong. I say it wrong no matter how many times I say it. This video is going to be way too long, but next I'm just going in with a brush. I'm going to go in with just this big brush again, and I'm going to go into the brown shade I used at the very beginning and just put that underneath my eye. Yeah, I don't like this look on me. I just don't like it. I don't like the fact that I have makeup lips this whole time. Oh god, I seriously, I look so crazy. I don't like it. Fuck. Oh guys, you know, we're actually going to just skip ahead a bit and actually put the eyeliner on hold. And I'm just gonna do my lips because I just look wild right now. Concealer, and I pop some on my lips, a nude pink, and I think I look just that bit better now. I can relax a little bit. I feel like I look at that a little bit better. Right, time for mascara again, using like a 2-year-old mascara. I just don't know where my new ones are right now, so pop that on. Okay, so I just applied glue to my eyelashes. I used the Duo glue. From James Charles. Well, I think my fake, well, it was my real septum piercing, but I fake it now, I think fell down behind my drawers, but I found a necklace and I'll stick a necklace on instead. That's all tangled up. But you know, you can imagine when the necklace is added, this is the look. So that's it, you know. If you liked this video, give it a like. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye. This is the finished look, so I don't think it suits me, but it could look stunning on one of you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.